So this is the question number 28. This is for electrical 2020. So we have decided we will solve total more than 150 questions for all branches. So do not miss the classes. Okay. So with this lecture, it is working for 8 hours, and same video it will be uploaded in the YouTube channel Albert Joshi. And so now the question is, find y max or y minimum for y is equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 1. How to solve it? At first you will find dy by dx. Okay. So your y is this, you have to differentiate with respect to x. Every time, whenever, if the examiner, he will change the function also, no problem. So you will differentiate with respect to x. So 3 to the 6, x plus 3. Then you will write is equal to 0. So why you are writing it is equal to 0? We are checking that, it means we are checking that this function is changing at x-axis or not. This is your x-axis, this is y-axis. We are checking here. If this dy by dx, we are also checking the behavior of function. It is increasing function or decreasing function. If, okay, so dy by dx is equal to, if dy by dx is equal to greater than 0, it means that this is increasing function, is less than 0, then this is decreasing function. So now here we are just checking the maximum minimum. So dy by dx is equal to 0, then you will write 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. It means that 6x is equal to minus 3. It means that x is equal to minus 3 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Okay. So your x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Your x is equal to 3 to the 6. Sorry, this is minus 1 upon 2. So this is minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So now we will check at this point your double differentiate of this function. Your dy by dx is equal to this. Now your d square y upon dx square is equal to. So dy square y upon dx square is equal to 6. This is greater than 0. No need to put this value. Okay. So every time it is greater than 0 for all value. For all x, this is greater than 0. It means that, it implies that this is, if it is greater than 0, it means that this is minimum. If this is less than 0, if this is less than 0, then this is maximum. Okay. If d square y upon dx square is equal to 0, it implies that saddle point. यानी कि no maximum and no minimum. ठीक है. Now, so this is minimum. So your minimum value, so there is no maximum. It means that there is minimum. Your minimum value, it will be minimum value. Your y is equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So your y minimum is equal to, what is your y minimum? At x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. 3 into minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Sometimes the examiner asks different question. So I will solve it. So this is 3 into and 2 to the 4, 1 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Okay. Now you can solve it, no problem. Sometimes the examiner asks also find at the interval minus 2 and 0. If he has written also, it is working minus 2 to 0. In this condition, you will also check at this point minus 2 and 0. That is the local minima and local maximum. Okay. So if you will find y of minus 2, y of 0, then you can conclude that the minimum value and maximum value. So y of minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 and plus 1. Okay. And 3 into 0 whole square plus 3 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay. 3 to the 6 minus plus 1. This is 7. Okay, this is greater value, this is one value, and y minimum is equal to, this is, you can calculate, then this it will be 1 upon 4. So you are getting 1 upon 4 and 7 and 1. So your minimum, which one is the minimum value? Now you can check. Your minimum value is 1. So your y minimum is equal to 1. And which one is the max value? Your max value, y max is equal to 7. This question it has asked in electrical 2020. Okay. If this topic belongs to civil engineering, computer science branch, the petroleum branch, iron branch, physics, chemistry, mathematics, for anyone, you must also join the class because these are very important. Okay, so you have to also, so one thing you must remember, whenever you are finding the y minimum or y maximum, so you have to also check if they have given any interval. If they have given any interval, then you have to check also at this point. Okay, so now I will solve also one more question, same of type, one more question. Suppose the examiner they have given you this problem. Suppose the examiner they have given you this problem. Suppose same problem they have given you 3x की power 3 plus 3x plus 1. Suppose examiner, this time the examiner they have given you this. Find the maximum and minimum. So you have to differentiate dy by dx is equal to 3 is a 9x square, okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. It means that 9x square is equal to minus 3. It means that x square is equal to minus 3 upon 9. 3 3 is a 9 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. It means that x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 upon 3. I, imaginary value. So cannot define because it does not belong to R. Here cannot define. You must note, okay, it is not possible to find the maximum and minimum because the points are not a real number. You must note. Suppose they have given different question. Suppose they have given different question. Suppose the question is this. Here you have this question. Suppose the question is this. Y is equal to x cube plus x. Suppose. I don't know. That will also mean imaginary value. Okay. Minus x. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0. It implies that x square is equal to minus plus 1 upon 3. This time plus 1 upon 3. So x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 upon 3. So this is your belong to R. Now I will check d square y upon dx square. It means that again you have to differentiate this one. 3 to just 6x. Okay, and that will be 0. Now add x is equal to plus 1 upon square root of 3 is equal to y double dash is equal to this is 6 upon root 3, that is greater than 0, yani ki minimum. Okay, now add x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. It implies that this is y double dash is equal to minus 6 upon square root of 3. That is the maximum. So add x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3, you have maximum, and add x is equal to 1 upon root 3, you have minimum. Now you will put this value and this value here, then you will get the maximum value and minimum value. Here he has not given any interval. So you can also make many problems and you can also think how to find the maxima, minima, saddle point. Okay, we have solved many problems. We have also discussed a lot of problem, and the next message we have got, please solve the linear differential equation. Oh, okay, no problem. This question also it has come in the electrical department. Okay, and Amit and Anand and Amrita from Bilaspur. Okay, I don't know Bilaspur. So they have asked this question. Please solve. I will tell you that for the differential equation, the coefficient, the separation of variable, the exact differential equation, the linear equation, non-linear equation, and first order differential equation, second order differential equation, variation of parameter. Many such type of video I have uploaded in the YouTube channel Albert Joshi. You must go there. Okay, you can take also the advantage. I will also solve, no problem, such type of problem. Whatever you are asking, I will solve it. Okay, now I will erase it, then I will solve the next question.